Marcos Jr. to lead the ribbon cutting ceremony together with former First Lady and First Lady Luisa Araneta Marcos.
Formerly known as the Field Trade Center, this space was conceived and inaugurated in 1979 under your stewardship, the First Lady Imelda Romualdez Marcos. It was founded on the simple belief that Filipino design and craftsmanship deserve a place on the world stage.
Sa paglipas ng panahon, unti-unting nagbago ang gamit ng lugar at napuno ng iba't ibang mga establishmento. Ngayon, pinuksan ito upang maging lahanan ng sining, husay at produkto ng mga Pilipino upang maipagmalaki ang tunay na likhang Pilipino.
So, today, we proudly carry that vision of yours, Mom. We carry it forward. The newly refreshed Likhang Filipino Exhibition Halls gives our designers, our artisans, entrepreneurs, gives them a sanctuary to showcase their products. Under one roof, we bring together our finest furniture and lighting, fashion and textiles, home decor, gifts, food products, and all of sorts of other crafts. They each occupy a space here because they are particularly and exquisitely Filipino. The Likhang Filipino Halls will serve as a launchpad for our local manufacturers and exporters, giving them access to buyers, to tourists, and in visiting delegations who seek to discover the range of Filipino excellence.